In this video, we'll review how to set up a host and default repository for the HB.js VS Code extension. We already have the HB.js extension installed and can see the HB.js icon. Navigate to the icon. Our next step is to configure the host in one of two ways. If we have access to an external file, we can import the file from an Eclipse instance or another instance of VS Code. In this example, we'll add a new host from scratch using the plus icon. First, we'll enter the host URL. It must have either HTTP or HTTPS in the beginning and the port number at the end of the URL. Now, our host name and region name. These are the names that will be displayed on the screen, so they should make logical sense, but they do not link back to the host URL nor affect the backend connection. We can name them as we wish. We'll keep it simple while using demo. The default user ID is the ID used to access the repository. For our purposes, we'll use cus001. Once we're ready, we'll add the host. We should see it populate and notice two messages: a host updated successfully and an error message. Lastly, we'll set a default repository by right-clicking the target repository in the HB.js host view. To do that, we'll open up the host. The first time we access the repositories, we'll need to enter the password at the prompt. Now that we're logged in, we can set the default repository by right-clicking the repository. We'll know it worked successfully when we see the 3 green check marks appear.